This is Samsung Galaxy M33, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, connect your device to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can just go ahead and launch the app. In here, while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple yet necessary setup procedure. So tap on the blue continue button, then decide whether you would like to enable notifications for Opera or set it as your default browser app. And at the final page, you can customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.